In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record daily sales in QuickBooks Online. This process can be essential for keeping your financial records accurate and up to date, and it's a task that, once mastered, will save you both time and potential headaches down the road. So, let's dive in and get familiar with it. First, we'll need to open up QuickBooks. If you haven't already, go to the QuickBooks homepage. Make sure you have your login details at hand or saved for a smooth start. Once you're on the home page, our next step is to navigate to the Management Reports section. These reports are incredibly useful for analyzing your business data, tracking sales, and more. By clicking on Management Reports, you'll access a variety of pre-configured reports that are ready to use or customize. Next, we want to focus on sales performance. Click on the Sales Performance report to get a detailed insight into how your business is doing sales-wise. This report is a valuable tool that showcases sales trends and can provide action-oriented advice based on your data. Make sure to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as it contains numerous points of information that could be beneficial for your business strategy. Once you have your sales performance report open, look for the option that allows you to select the time frame of the data you wish to review. In this case, we're going to choose this year. Selecting the time frame is crucial, as it refines the data to exactly where you need to focus. Whether you want to review the entire year or a specific quarter, this choice will bring up exactly the figures you need. The next step is to highlight the key information that you find most critical. Highlighting allows you to zero in on the most important data without getting distracted by the non-essentials. Look for trends, spikes, or declines, anything that stands out as important to your business operations. This step is really where you interpret the report from a bird's-eye view, transforming data into actionable insights. Finally, with your highlighted sections and selected data, it's time to check out a preview of your report. Click on Preview and take a moment to go through what is shown. The preview feature allows you to view the report before it's formally documented or shared, ensuring you haven't missed any critical information and that everything is represented exactly as you intend to convey it. Always preview to catch any errors or misalignments in your data presentation. And that's it! Recording daily sales in QuickBooks Online involves navigating through the management reports, homing in on the sales performance, refining your focus by highlighting key insights, and finishing with a preview to ensure accuracy. Remember, regular use of these reports not only helps with record keeping, but also enhances your decision-making process. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting!